Hello students, welcome to your first class of computer. Right. Now, all of you have taken the subject computer science. Right. Now, okay, computer science. Now tell me, what is computer? What is computer? Okay. Many of you tell computer is an electronic device. That's all. Right? But lots of electronic devices are available, just like fan, TV, refrigerator. All are the electronic one. Then what is the difference between the normal electronic device and a computer? Okay, computer is an electronic device working on the 10 format, power on, power off, right? But what is the difference between other electronic device like fan, TV, refrigerator and all, and the computer? Now come, computer. Computer comes the word compute. आपका कंप्यूटर इस कंप्यूट वर्ड से बना है. दिस कंप्यूट मीन्स द प्रोसेस. मीन्स computer is a electronic device which take the data, process it and gives you the result. Okay? The major thing in the computer is to process. Take the data, process the data and gives you the result. Now come how the computer works. How? Okay, computer is an electronic device. Take the data, process the data. Now, if any work, if I am saying you to do this work, how you will do the work? Just say example, if I am saying, okay, whatever your name, tell me the average of 5 students marks. मैंने कहा आपसे कि 5 स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स का एवरेज बताइए. फर्स्ट थिंग, व्हाट यू विल नीड. फर्स्ट थिंग, यू विल नीड दैट 5 सब्जेक्ट मार्क्स. Then only you will find out the average. Without that marks, you can't find out the average. Right? Okay. I am telling you the marks of the 5 subject, 5 marks. Okay. I am telling 51, 92, 73. Now, what you will do? You will write the marks in your copy. Or if you are very much intelligent, then you will memorize the mark in your memory. Note it down the marks. Then only you can sum up. After that, noting down, then you will calculate. First you will sum up, then you will divide, then find out the average. After that, what you will do? You have the average. Now you will tell me the result. Right? You will find out the average. Then the last work is you will tell me using the mouth or using the pen paper or anyone. You will tell me this is the result. Okay. Now come to the computer. How computer will do the same work. Okay. First, same work. Now the average of 5 students will found out by the computer. अब कंप्यूटर ने निकालना है, ठीक है। फर्स्ट what you the first work input taking the marks. Now same work computer भी ऐसे ही कर रहा है. You will give him 5 marks. Now how you will give you the computer 5 marks? You can take the marks using your ear, using your eye. Computer will take the input through input device. This is the computer. ठीक है. Processing is done. First work of doing anything, first take the input. Same work, input 5 marks using the input devices. Using the input device, computer take all the marks to calculate the average. This input device may be the keyboard, may be the mouse, scanner or anyone through which you are giving the data to computer. Now, what was your second work? When I am giving you the input, you are noting down, storing the data so that you can calculate. Now, what the computer will do? Computer same. Take the input, take the data from input device and store the data in the memory. Computer store the data in the memory. If you are storing in the memory, computer store in the RAM. If the data is longer one, store in the secondary storage device, but store the data. Then only computer can work on the data. Now here one thing, if the data is in the RAM, then only computer can work on them. So taking the data through input device and storing them in the RAM. After that, what was your third work of in this third step in this work? You are calculating. Calculate means you have the data, then addition and division. If you find out the average, if you want to calculate the average, first of all you have to sum up all the data, then divide. Computer do the same. Computer do to find out the average. Summation means adding all the number and divide by the number is doing the thing in the computer unit that is called the ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. Arithmetic Logic Unit is a device in the computer which performs all the arithmetical and the logical operation. ALU आपके कंप्यूटर में ऐसा डिवाइस है जो जितने भी अर्थमेटिकल या लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन आपके कंप्यूटर के अंदर परफॉर्म होते हैं, दैट इज परफॉर्म बाय द ALU. राइट. नाउ summation 1, division 1. After that, find out the result and the result is stored again in the memory. Now computer has the result. Okay, average निकल गया. Now what was the last work of you? You will tell me this is the answer. Now computer have to tell this is the answer. How the computer will do? Computer will do this thing through output device. Through output device, computer take the data from the memory and gives you the result. Output device, either the monitor or the printer or the plotter or speaker, anyone. Through output device, computer tells us what this is the output. Right? Now, you are doing all your work, means taking the data, calculating, giving me the result. All the work is performed by your brain, right? Now, this thing is the CU, control unit, and this is, you can say, the brain of the computer. Means all the work, controlling of the work, means how the data is received by the input devices, how and where the data should be stored in the memory, means किस address पर कौन सा data memory में store होगा, that is decided by the CU. ठीक है. ALU perform all the arithmetical and logical operation, but ALU will perform which arithmetic operation, which logical operation, on which data, किस data पर क्या अर्थमेटिकल ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होना है, ये आपका CU बताता है. आफ्टर दैट द रिजल्ट विल स्टोर वेयर इन मेमोरी, विच एड्रेस, व्हाट डेटा, दिस इज डिसाइडेड बाय द CU. आफ्टर दैट हाउ द रिजल्ट will display on the output device, means which result which is display on which device, and how the display will done is controlled by the CU, control unit, right? Now you are saying, okay, all the thing is controlling by the control unit, means control unit is just like your brain. Here a but is there, means you can't compare the human being's brain with the control unit. Why? Brain, whatever the work done by brain is controlled by the brain. Here control unit can control all the devices, but whatever the control unit is done, कंट्रोल यूनिट सब कुछ कर सकता है, लेकिन करता वही है जो करने के लिए आप उसे बोलते हैं थ्रू सॉफ्टवेयर. मीन्स ओके, कंट्रोल यूनिट टेक द डेटा टू डिवाइसेस, गिव द इंस्ट्रक्शन टू ALU, store the result to the memory, give the instruction to output devices, controlling all the things, but this controlling is done by the program written by human beings. Means control unit आपका mainly क्या करता है, आपने उसे प्रोग्राम लिख कर दिया, ठीक है, उस प्रोग्राम में जो कुछ, उस प्रोग्राम को लाइन बाय लाइन रन कराता है, और उस प्रोग्राम में जो लिखा हुआ है ये उसी काम को करता है. ये कंट्रोल यूनिट अपनी मर्जी से कोई काम नहीं. Whatever the work is written in the program, if the work is correct, it will do the correct one. If the program is wrongly written, it will perform the work wrongly, right? So control unit can do all the things, but it is doing whatever the work is written in a program, and the program is written by the human, right? Now come, computer. Computer is divided into the two parts. First one is the hardware, and second one is the software. What is the hardware and what is the software? मैंने आपको पूरा ग्राफिकली लमसम बता दिया. Now what is the hardware and what is the software? So hardware is basically computer आपके इन्हीं दोनों चीज से मिलके बना होता है. एक भी चीज नहीं है तो कंप्यूटर आपका काम नहीं करेगा. फर्स्ट इज द हार्डवेयर, सेकेंड इज द सॉफ्टवेयर. व्हाट इज द हार्डवेयर? हार्डवेयर इज द पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर विच यू कैन टच. द टेंजिबल पोर्शन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड द हार्डवेयर. कंप्यूटर का वो पार्ट जिसे आप छू सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, दैट इज द हार्डवेयर. मीन्स द इनपुट डिवाइसेस, आउटपुट डिवाइसेस, memory, processor, all, hard disk, you can touch, registers, you can touch. So all the parts of the computer which you can touch, tangible portion, is called the hardware. What is the software? Many of you, software which you can't touch, feel, and anything. You can't feel the software. Okay, you can't touch the software, but you can't feel the software. The basic definition of the software is a program, instructions, lines of code, जिसे आपका प्रोसेसर रन करता है. ठीक है, सॉफ्टवेयर एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जो मैन रिटन है, मैन मेड प्रोग्राम विच इज रन बाय द प्रोसेसर. राइट. अब आते हैं इस हार्डवेयर में. व्हाट पार्ट्स कम इन द हार्डवेयर? में hardware, you can touch the part of the computer, that is the hardware. Tangible portion of the computer is called the hardware. अब हार्डवेयर के पोर्शन को मेनली आप 4 पार्ट्स में बांटते हैं. ठीक है. फर्स्ट इज द इनपुट यूनिट, आउटपुट यूनिट, CPU and memory. First will come what is the input unit. Input unit, or you can say input devices, through which you can transfer the data to the computer. जिस डिवाइस के थ्रू कंप्यूटर डेटा रिसीव करता है उसको इनपुट डिवाइस बोलते हैं. दैट इज द जनरल टर्म. नाउ कम टू द कंप्यूटर साइंस टर्म. व्हाट इज द कंप्यूटर? Computer is an electronic device. Means it works on the data 1 and 0. Power on, power off. Means computer can understand this only. Right? And your input data is of many forms. That's like paper है. Paper पे written. You can enter computer your voice also. A video, a character, means many forms. कीबोर्ड के थ्रू की प्रेस करते हैं तो यू आर एंटरिंग द कैरेक्टर्स. ठीक है. आप माइक्रोफोन से बोलते हैं, यू आर एंटरिंग योर वॉइस. आप कैमरा से पिक्चर वीडियो निकाल रहे हैं, पिक्चर निकाल रहे हैं, यू आर एंटरिंग द वीडियो और द पिक्चर. तो जो आप कंप्यूटर को दे रहे हैं वो वीडियो हो सकता है, पिक्चर हो सकती है, वॉइस हो सकती है, डेटा आपका वर्ड्स हो सकता है, कैरेक्टर हो सकता है, आपके स्क्रीन का कोई पॉइंट हो सकता है. आप इनपुट माउस से स्क्रीन के किसी पॉइंट का इंस्ट्रक्शन भेजते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द इनपुट यूनिट? इनपुट यूनिट टेक द डेटा फ्रॉम द यूजर, convert it to the binary format so that computer can understand it and then transfer it to the computer. Input device वो डिवाइस है जो यूजर से डेटा रिसीव करता है, कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंडेबल फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करता है, देन कंप्यूटर को ट्रांसमिट करता है. अगर इस फॉर्मेट में डेटा नहीं होगा तो कंप्यूटर की समझ में नहीं आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि कंप्यूटर इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस विच कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाइनरी लैंग्वेज ओनली, मीन्स 1-0 ओनली. which cannot understand other things of the data. So this is work by the input device. Take the data from the user, convert it in this format, and then transfer it to the. Okay. We'll take in deep remaining thing in the next class. All are in the detail one. We'll take one by one, each take in the detail. Okay. We'll take the in the next class. Okay. Thank you.